Have you ever wondered which aircraft is called the king of the skies? A fighter jet full of courage, speed, and technology. Today, we bring you the story of one of the world's most famous fighter jets, the F-16. Fighting Falcon, a jet that not only wins battles but is a source of pride for air forces around the world. Let's explore its power, history, and secrets up close. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a fast, yet powerful multi-role fighter jet developed by General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin. It was introduced into the US military in 1978. Although it has only one engine, it can reach speeds of up to 2,400 km per hour, around Mach 2. The F-16 represents the idea of one pilot, one mission, because a single pilot can control it and change the course of an entire battle. The F-16 is a multi-role aircraft capable of performing air-to-air combat, air-to-ground attacks, reconnaissance and defense missions. It features a highly advanced cockpit designed for maximum pilot efficiency and uses a fly-by-wire system, giving the pilot better control and agility. It is equipped with advanced radar, laser-guided bombs, rockets, and missiles such as the AIM-120 AMRAAM, AGM-65 Maverick, and JDAM bombs. The F-16 isn't just exclusive to the US. It's used by over 25 countries, including Pakistan, Turkey, Israel, Egypt, Netherlands, Greece, and many more. Pakistan has had F-16s since the early 1980s and has used them in several major operations. Turkey has also made them a core part of its air force, thanks to its affordability, easy maintenance, and excellent performance. The F-16 has a unique status in global aviation. Over 4,500 units have been produced, and it is still in production today. The latest variant, F-16V Viper, includes AESA radar, advanced weapon systems, glass cockpit, artificial intelligence-based features. Despite its long history, the F-16 remains a powerful tool for future warfare. The F-16 is not just a fighter jet, it's a symbol of innovation, power, and bravery. From Afghanistan to the US, from Turkey to Israel, that dominates the skies. If there's a battle in the air, the F-16 will be there first.